Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy Buds and my S10. So today we're just going to go through the touchpad, which is this little bit here on the ends of the buds. If I focus a bit more. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. So you can do the normal things with the touchpad, which is essentially you tap once and you can play, double tap, you can go forward. Obviously if you tap again while you're playing, you can pause, triple tap, you can go backwards on the track. And then you have tap and hold, which is this user configurable thing where you can decide what that function does. So, and obviously you can, that will, while you're getting a call, that will decline a call, as you can see there as well. Now, if you go down into this function, so I'm just in the Galaxy Wearable app, and touchpad is the function that I'm in. You can configure the left and the right, but it doesn't allow you to configure it totally. For example, you'll see what I mean in a second. So basically, if I do voice command, it will change both to voice command. So you can access, so you can tap and hold on the left or right, and then it will invoke the voice command. This will be something like, you know, the OK Google stuff, the Google Assistant, or, you know, Bixby. But obviously if you've paired it with the Apple device, then that will be Siri. When you do quick ambient sound, now this will turn down the volume of the track that you're listening to, and then it will turn up ambient sound, and so you can obviously hear the surroundings around you. And then you've got the normal ambient sound, which is just, it'll turn it on essentially. It won't turn the volume down or anything like that, it'll just be on, and obviously you'll have the background noise as well as music going at the same time. But when you select it, it keeps the voice command on there, but as soon as you select something else, for example volume up, it'll change the left to volume down. And it doesn't allow you to have volume up and volume down on the same touchpad, which is strange because the IconXs do. So on the IconXs, the previous version of these, you can do everything that I've just mentioned here. So you can tap, play, pause, do all that kind of stuff. But off of the right earbud, you can go volume up and volume down at the same time. So that's a bit weird where these don't allow you to do it. Hopefully there'll be an update, software update where they will. There was a recent software update which allowed you to tap and hold to invoke the ambient sound. So hopefully there'll be something for volume control as well. So that was just a quick look at the functionality and how flexible the touchpad is at the moment on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.